How to set a realistic wedding budget in India. Planning an Indian wedding without a budget is like planning a cross-country road trip without a map, thrilling for exactly 30 minutes, then quietly terrifying. The average Indian wedding now costs between 15 lakh rupees and 1.5 crore rupees depending on city, guest count, and ambition. This guide will walk you through every category, every hidden cost, and every smart decision that separates couples who feel in control from those who don't. The honest budget conversation is the most important one you'll have before booking a single vendor. Before you open a single venue brochure or speak to one caterer, sit down, just the two of you, and then with your families, and have a completely honest financial conversation. This is the single most important step in the entire wedding planning process, and it is the one most couples rush past in their excitement. Your venue and catering will typically consume over half your total wedding budget. Plan accordingly. Indian weddings have a fairly consistent cost structure regardless of total budget size. The proportions shift slightly between budget tiers, but the categories and their relative weights remain surprisingly similar. From heritage Havelis to five-star ballrooms, venue type dramatically affects not just cost, but every other vendor decision you make. Your venue is not just the backdrop for your wedding, it is the foundational decision that determines almost every other planning choice you make. The venue sets the ceiling for your guest count, dictates your decor possibilities, constrains which caterers you can use, and in many cases includes services or exclusions that dramatically affect your total spend. Food is what your guests will talk about for years. Prioritize quality over sheer quantity of dishes. Catering is where many Indian weddings experience the most significant cost overruns and the most wastage. Your photographs and film will outlive every flower, every outfit, and every dish served at your wedding. Do not underinvest here. Of all the things you spend money on for your wedding, photography and videography are the only ones that remain with you for decades. Bridal outfit costs vary enormously, from 40,000 rupee to 5 crore rupees. Know what drives the price before you shop. Bridal outfit and jewelry costs in India have the widest range of any wedding category, from a carefully curated 50,000 rupee look that photographs beautifully to a 50 rupees lakh designer lehenga worn by Bollywood celebrity brides. Every couple who has planned an Indian wedding will tell you the same thing in hindsight. The budget they planned for was not the budget they ended up spending, and the gap was filled by costs they never anticipated. Here is the comprehensive list of hidden and easily overlooked costs that derail wedding budgets across India. GST 18% on most services, photography, decor, entertainment, wedding planning services. Confirm whether quotes are exclusive or inclusive of GST. The most memorable weddings are built on experiences, not on excess. Intimacy always wins over spectacle. Cutting your wedding budget does not mean cutting your wedding's beauty, joy, or memorability. It means making smarter decisions about where each rupee generates the most experience per spend. A wedding planner is one of the most debated budget items in Indian wedding planning. Critics argue it's an unnecessary luxury. Advocates argue it saves more money than it costs. In 2026, the answer is nuanced. It depends entirely on the type of planner you hire and how you use them. Understanding when money flows out is as important as understanding how much flows out. Indian wedding vendors typically operate on a structured advance and balance payment system. Misunderstanding this timeline has left many couples scrambling for liquidity at the wrong moment. A realistic budget is not a limitation, it is the foundation of a wedding that feels abundant, joyful, and entirely you. Plan with clarity, and your wedding day will exceed every expectation.